All right, guys, we are here. The market is open, um, and we're looking to see what we can capture today. It is June 17th, 2024, and we're looking at four charts at the same time. Got a few micro charts on the screen, um, and we're gonna play some live events. All right, so we'll keep you posted, and some sim events as well. All right, it's all the same. Trading is trading, so let's see what we can find out. Um, let's see which charts give us some opportunities. All right, it's fair by trade. Missed a couple of good ones here. This long. I mean, if I would have got in here, exit here. Yeah, cool. 15 points. So here would have been a nice short. So we're just gonna keep looking. All right, not too hasty to make a trade yet. It's only 2 minutes into the market open, so we're looking for some more direction. Got a little double top up here, maybe. Right? So it could come dropping back down. So look out for that. If you are trying to break these lows here, not a bad break, but you want to wait for confirmation, hopefully, on that one. You got the ES's tumbling down, so look for opportunity on this one. We got the Dow tumbling down, and we have the Russell, the M2K, that's possibly looking to break down as well, but we'll see. Does anybody think about taking this trade here on the break? We got a 60% chance of happening, based on what I usually see. So if you're gonna get in, maybe want to get in and grab. But be careful. We got the MACD line on each chart, and we got the ATR on each chart as well. MACD is going to tell you the direction and momentum, hopefully. Just got to catch it correctly on support resistance. Get that Dow jumped up on that big green candle. So if you're catching that, nice catch. Have your stop. Liking the ES. I'm gonna pull the trigger on this ES. See if I can get a couple swing highs. Already got the order set, so let's. So the Dow just taking off, doing what it wants to do. Let's see if we can get the ES a little more room to run. Maybe to this previous close. Just a little. So I'm still in this MES trade here, but man, look at this M2K that I missed. Yeah, it's over the 20 moving average, which is this 20 line, and this nice big red bar with this big old tail. Could have scalped it for a few, but missed that one. Still working the MES. This Dow, oof, man, that was skyrocketed up to the highs. Yeah, this one got some people paid here. But also, if you're not out the trade by now, you're probably losing. All right, so keep that in mind too. Keeping my eye on the ES trade. It'll be wonderful if it does what the YM just did, but let's see. Let's see. I want to do a 1-to-1, right? So cut. And this is the first trade of the day, live trade of the day. So let's see what it has to offer. I did adjust my stop. My stop was down here, but I actually wanted to continue. Just want to save a little more money. So let's see if this continuation is going to work. And I've given a little bit more room. I'm not going to stick in this trade forever. If they close in the top half, actually, I'm going to adjust my stop. It is sort of a downtrend, right? So if it takes out half of this, we'll call it a day. Yeah, we'll call it a day. Let's see what it has to offer. If you guys hear a baby in the background, it's a real baby. Love for it to break some of these highs. This green candle took out so many of these red candles. So I gave it just more conviction, right, that we're likely to continue. But I do want to have some more space. So let's give at it. If it's my mental stop is if it crosses this barrier, probably get out naturally. I would like for it to close above the 20. Yeah, we'll get out of that one. Yeah, we'll get out of that one, guys. Had to use my management. All right. I found a direction. I took the trade, and I didn't make any profit. Right, so I got to get out. That's my risk management, and look what's doing. It may come back up, and I'll wait for it. Right, but right now, we'll give that one to L. All right, and we'll look at another chart to see what else is forming and to see what else is happening. All right, so I'm in a couple of trades here. As you can see, I have open positions. I have one with the ES again. Remember, I actually got stopped out of that one and kind of waited for just a different setup, and we'll see if that plays out. I got $18.75 stop loss, $50 profit target, and then we're looking at the M2K, which we'll see. I'm not in love with the setup, but I'm curious to what it wants to do. So we'll give it some space to run. All right, and we'll 1150 stop loss, $34 profit target, which is probably likely for me to get it here, but we'll see. We'll let this play out. Either way, we have a stop. All right, so let you guys know how it goes. ES is struggling a little bit, so let's see where this wants to go. We got our stopping. We'll let our stop respect itself, and let's see what happens. And I'm in this ES trade. It look like it want to take me out, so I may take a loss on this one as well. But we'll see. Still got my stop in. We'll see if it's gonna bounce back up or if it wants to bounce back down. We'll see. All right, but we're still in it. Ooh, that doesn't look too good. But let's see. Let's see where we're at. I'm still looking for some movement on the M2K. So let's see. I don't want to adjust my stop on the MES because it puts me at risk of losing more money. So let's accept whatever loss that will come about with that one, and we'll just accept it. Hopefully it just stays at like a little double bottom. But the way that's pushing down, yeah, that's an out. All right, so took a loss on that one, and let's see if the M2K wants to continue down as well. So let's see. And now I'm looking at the congestion here. Maybe shouldn't have got in. So could have been easily avoided. And this is why it's always important to have a stop, right? Because if I made this my stop, it would still have been my stop, but look how far it came down. So follow your rules. I thought I was gonna pump after this candlestick here, which, look at this, right? Look at this move, look at the sideways movement. So my mistake, but I have my stop, which is my management, right? Manage that trade. If it came against you, get out. Just get out, right? And wait for another setup. If you were shorting, it's been a good trade, right? Exit, take out maybe this second green candlestick, and you're in, right? So I saw it another way, but it's okay. Everybody sees it their own way. I'm still in this. I'm wondering if this is going to play out and jump higher, but I'm still in this M2K trade. So we'll see how that turns out. The Dow is doing this thing. This would have been a good catch here on the Dow. What is the NASDAQ doing? Yep. That looks beautiful, guys. Look at this. Kind of recognize this down here, but I didn't catch it. But man, look what happened. Just want to stop on this one here. Not bad risk ratio right now. If I wanted to get out, at least a 1-to-1, but let's see if we can give it some room to run. It's just the first candlestick, so well, actually we got in on this candlestick. So let's see if it wants to apply some more pressure up. It definitely has room to run. The previous close is this black line here. Let's load this up. And so this is how it's been since it's opened yesterday. And choppy, choppy, choppy. Oof, if you were up here and caught this, definitely in for a nice little run. But ooh, look at my trade. It's not 10 o'clock yet, but I'm still staying in. I want to see what's going to happen. Let's see. If it does take me out, 3 for 3. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Let me know what I could have done right? And these are my strategies, right? But you could have saw something different. I kind of explained what I saw. Like I could have waited, should have waited, maybe should have looked in the other direction. But one thing for sure, they do not always work. All right, so we know that for sure. So yeah, let's just continue trading the strategy that we know and that we see and that happens often. You just know it's not 100%, right? Just be okay with taking a loss, even if it's 3. Be okay with it. Ironically, in the NASDAQ, I took this one in a sim. I missed it. So when I mean I missed it, it was a late entry, right? So kind of want to see if it was still going to power through. Little failure down here, wiped out this bar, got this nice, my bullish pin bar, right? It's in a bearish area, but look what it's taken out. So I wanted to see if it had the strength to pull up, or I have my stop though for sure. This is a sim account, right? My stop is still $25. It's on the micros. So let's see if it wants to take out or keep going. Understandable. Gave it a shot. I got in super late. I'm glad I simmed it, so we can not make any mistakes. Let's see. I want to take the short on this NASDAQ. Maybe not. I like this Dow though. The Dow's at its peak, so this would be the high. I don't know if I'm gonna try that, because it could be coming back down. But this is a hammer, a nice little hammer. But I don't know if I want to play that right now, with it being at resistance and coming down. That's something NASDAQ did. Should have adjusted my stop on this one, so that was actually my fault. Alright, I'm liking maybe the M2K. Not M2K, but the MES. Let's see. Alright, NASDAQ is running, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I like this ES for a quick scalp. Maybe right here. I practice these too, guys. It's not something I'm doing randomly. I did practice these trades, and and they're pretty accurate once you get the direction right. Of course, they're pretty accurate. Right? They're not long plays, long runs, but it gets the job done. So, kind of want to see where we at with this MES trade. I mean, I have faith it can jump up. Let's go ahead and put a stop. I like to push. Didn't create a new low. So let's see if it can continue higher. The NASDAQ definitely wants to go higher. But I'm not gonna, I'm already late on the entry. So kind of let's see where it wants to go. All right, got my out on the M2K. So now I got the MES to play with. So let's see if that wants to jump up. All right, actually we got a minute before the 10 o'clock. So actually not a minute, got 5 seconds. I may want to tighten this. It's a little bit. I wonder if ES wants to jump up here. Yeah, let's tighten this a little. Come on, what you want to do, ES? Play more games than everybody else that I know. Man. Come on, jump up. Let's see what you got, ES. Let's see what you have. I'm not going to let you destroy it, so we'll secure a little bit more. And remember, trading is just getting the direction right? You get the direction accurate, you're probably more than halfway. All right, we may scapegoat out of this one. All right, so where we're at, we're 38 for the day. All right, so we'll take that. Yeah, we'll take that. It's okay. $38. We're down to 220 now, and I want the sim trade to finish. Kind of see where it's headed. Yeah, no more trades. We'll sim everything else. Discipline ourselves, and we trade some accounts like live accounts. So it's not giving me good movement. I want to get out, but all right. Well, let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see. Come on, NASDAQ. She's struggling, guys. NASDAQ is definitely struggling. Everybody's kind of struggling. It's 10 o'clock and it's Monday. So, Monday's sometimes a little slow. This is why you don't want to get caught up in trading too many times, because it can trick you, right? So if it's slow, it means it's more likely to be a sideways market, right? I think, unless it's already like trending crazy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get out this NASDAQ trade. What we got? 2 seconds. Let's see. All right, well, let's see what it wants to do here. Let's see. We're gonna sim everything else, so we're gonna go ahead and sim this trade. I've already got the NASDAQ going. I'm not gonna lie, I like this ES trade. It's kind of weird, but I do like it. I like where it's headed at least. I want to see where this M2K, I might have gotten it prematurely on this one too. Let's see what these have to offer. I'm gonna run this one yet. I like it though. Yeah, one would say I should have waited, and I should have, but I'm never upset about the trades that I take, and we'll keep making trades no matter what, right? We'll just try to make better trades next time. You see what happened? That one took me out. I didn't get too excited about that one because, you know, that was a 50-50 chance, like every other trade. And let's just see where the NASDAQ wants to take us. Let's see where the ES wants to take us. It didn't hit my take profits yet, but it'd be great if it can break through. Come up here, break through this. Come up here. I like the YM. Let's see what's gonna break. Let's see, about 15 seconds left. Right now, still the MES and still the MEQ. I'm liking this MIM trade, maybe. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. That ES is definitely running away. Yeah, man, look at that. Nice trade. Just happened to take it in sim, but and let it play out. The NASDAQ is still, it may break that high, that little strong resistance level where this bar is. So if it does, it may keep going. Remember, I took a live trade right here on the MIM, so I'm still live in that trade. I took it from under the moving average, but there's a lot of support down here too, right? You have this low, and then you have another higher low, and then you have another higher low. So let's see if we can get a momentum push on the M2K. I mean the MIM. All right, the ES may hit take profit. All right, so the MYM took me out. Yep, squashing me out, which is okay. All right, that was my bad. I took a loss. I'm down 50. All right, so we'll definitely end it for the day. The goal is 60, but we're not taking more trades. So Yeah. All right. And as you can see, the ES hit and the NASDAQ is still going. All right. We post losses, we post wins, wouldn't matter. I'm going to trail us a little bit. And let's see. I mean, I can stop here and just stop trading, but let's see if it wants to get up here to the current high. This is strong resistance. It may stop here, but how we can protect ourselves? Go bar by bar. If it wants to take out, it takes you out, and you're in profit. The ES is about to go bananas again. Let's see if it's gonna hit the stop. Let's get rid of this box. You establish this was a resistance area, and it's likely to blow through that. We'll see on this candlestick and see if we're going to close above it. Still going. This would have been a good trade to take here. Lesson learned, guys. Lesson learned. All right, we'll post this video. We'll end it here. We'll let this keep going. We're already in profit anyway. Let's see. Let's see what happens in the next 10 seconds. All right, we're going to end this video, but as you can see, the NASDAQ is still running, which is an amazing thing. And, let's protect ourselves. We'll keep it under this average, under this candlestick. Let's see if it wants to take out this green candle. But it's still running, guys, man. It's a beautiful thing. It's a joy of getting in semi-early. Near the average, and honestly just see if it's gonna rip through. It doesn't always happen, but if you catch it low enough, especially on a real big downtrend, sometimes it corrects itself really quick with a V pattern and just keep running up. So let's see. I'm still in this one.